Hello, this video is for students and it's going to go over how to give presentations inside of Blackboard Collaborate. So from your course's homepage, you're going to go ahead and click on the Blackboard Collaborate tab, and this is going to bring up a list of rooms available to you inside of the course. The first is the general meeting room that your instructor usually leads, and then the other two are team rooms. Prior to giving a presentation inside of one of your team rooms, your instructor will have assigned you to a team, so you're going to go ahead and choose the one that you are a part of. So I'm a part of Team A, so I'm going to select the Team A room, and I'm going to choose Join. Just like you would for a regular session, you're going to receive several pop-ups asking you to open with Java. You will select Run, and it might ask you for your connection speed. In this case, I'm using wireless. So now that I'm in the room, you're going to realize that you have several additional options that you did not have when you joined your weekly session with your instructor. So the first is that you get this recording reminder pop-up, and you can record at any time, so you're just going to go ahead and X that out. The first important piece is the content. So as you can see, there is a Load Content button at the top. This is going to be used for your PowerPoint slides. Any other items such as documents, software, or email, anything on your computer that you want to share otherwise can be done through application sharing, which is this second icon here. You would just double click Share Desktop, and then anything that is showing on your computer is going to show up in the recording and to the other participants. If you need more information on this method, please feel free to contact us. But for now, because PowerPoint slide sharing is the most common form of giving presentations using Collaborate, I'm just going to use this as an example. So you're just going to click on Load Content, and that is going to bring up your desktop. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and choose a PowerPoint deck off of my machine to show you what it will look like. So as you saw, it pulled up my PowerPoint, or opened up my PowerPoint, and it started what it looked like stripping the slides. It's actually just creating images, and it is right now transporting those images into this whiteboard space. So once those slides are loaded, you're going to see this Page Explorer, which you can X out, and just go ahead and use these arrows to advance forward and backward throughout your presentation. Now that the content is loaded, you just have to focus on your audio. So on the left-hand side, we have the audio and video panel. If I just use the talk button, you'll see a blue microphone and then a bar indicating my volume level. I'm right now sitting close to my computer and my audio seems to be coming in very clearly. However, it is preferred or recommended to plug in a headset and then use that for your speaker and for your microphone. Once you plug in your headset, I'm just going to go ahead and mute myself and then select the Audio Setup Wizard at the top. This is going to bring up some prompts for you to go through to make sure that your headset is working properly. Once you go through each of those prompts and everything is working, you're going to hit the talk button again, but now it's going to be registering with your headset's audio. So now you have your content, you have the talk. Just like your live classroom experience, you still have the chat box, and you also will see the list of participants in the room, which will probably be your other classmates or teammates. Each student a part of your team will be able to also advance through the slides, so you will all have presenter access upon entering the room. Once you are ready to begin, all you'd have to do is select Record in the top right-hand corner. Then you will select OK to begin. As soon as you are finished, all you have to do is select that same area, and it will say, do you want to stop the recording? You select OK. Once you all leave the room, I will show you on the next screen where your recording will appear. So now that we are back in the course, you're just going to go ahead and click on the Recordings tab. And just like with your live classroom meetings, this is where your recording will show up. It will have the name of your room, so it'll say Team A Virtual Meeting Room along with the date. It takes about 2 to 3 times the length of the session for the recording to show up. So if your session is about 1 hour, it should take about 3 hours for it to appear in this area. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.